Welcome to Looq AI. This video, we'll be walking you through how to use the Looq platform and make the most of your qCam device. Whether you're capturing an overhead infrastructure or structural components, this guide will help you get started step by step. To begin, ensure you're in an open space with clear visibility of the sky and minimal obstructions. Start by opening the case and taking out the battery and belt clip. Attach the back of the battery to the belt clip, which can be easily clipped to your belt. On the bottom left side of the qCam, there is a USB-C slot for you to charge your iPhone if necessary. On the right side is the slot for the power cable to go in. Once the cable is in, the lights on the qCam should turn on and you are ready to attach the iPhone. Next, let's connect the iPhone to the qCam using its quad lock case. Take out the iPhone and hold the tab on the back of the qCam. Hold the iPhone at a 45-degree angle, press and twist to have the phone horizontal. The phone should now be locked in place. Next, connect the iPhone to the camera using Wi-Fi. Look at the serial number at the bottom of the qCam. This number will be the name of the Wi-Fi network to connect to. Select this network and enter the password. 12345678. Once you're connected, go to the home page and open the Looq application, or open Safari, and go to Looq.local to start a capture. It's important to allow 5 minutes of high-quality GPS measurements at the beginning of your capture to significantly improve the geolocation accuracy. At the top right of the iPhone screen, there is an indicator showing when the qCam is ready. Once the GPS is warmed up, press Start to start your capture. For overhead utility capture, starting with a pole, walk around the pole once or twice at 2 different proximities. After completing the first circle, stand closer to the pole and circle it once more for best results. Whenever possible, avoid having the camera face directly into the sun. Once you are done with the pole, make sure you are about 4 to 5 paces offset from the power line. Walking directly underneath may cause gaps in the power line reconstruction. Then, continue your path in a snaking pattern to the next pole. Try to keep the power lines visible in the imagery in the camera stream. If you can't walk all the way around a pole, create 2 semicircles at different proximities. For poles with tags, position yourself about 2 feet away, point the camera at the tag, and press the Point of Interest button, which will turn green when activated. From here, continue your snaking pattern. If you have an object you would like to include in the capture, walk around it from about 3 feet away. Similar with a ground control point, point the camera at the ground control point and walk around it in a circle. From here, continue your path. For topographic mapping, walk in a lawnmower pattern to try and cover as much ground as possible from different angles. When possible, do a second pass of your path in rows that are perpendicular to your first set. Try to make sure the capture is between 10 to 20 minutes for ideal results. Once you are done, make sure you click End to end the scan before unplugging the qCam. Now, you can upload your scan by clicking on Saved Scans and Networks to connect your qCam to your office or home Wi-Fi. Once connected, click on Return and scroll right. Here you will find the Upload button. Uploading can take up to 30 minutes. Make sure you have sufficient battery. Once the upload is complete, the site will show in the bell icon at the top right. Select the upload and create or select an existing site. Add a name, select a coordinate system, and click Create. Once the site is created, the site will show on the home page. Click on it, and you can see the capture is queued for processing. Processing should finish in 24 to 48 hours. For further questions or assistance, contact support at support@looq.ai.